Solo travel has become a popular trend in recent years, providing people with the opportunity to explore the world at their own pace and design their perfect adventure. As a solo traveler, you have the freedom to choose your destination, create your itinerary, and immerse yourself in new experiences without the constraints of group travel. For those looking to embark on their next solo journey, we've compiled a list of the top 10 best solo travel vacations that cater to a variety of interests and budgets. Backpacking through Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia is a haven for solo travelers seeking a diverse and affordable vacation. This region is home to stunning landscapes, rich cultures, and mouth-watering cuisine. A typical backpacking route includes Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, and Indonesia, offering the opportunity to explore ancient temples, relax on pristine beaches, and trek through lush jungles. The low cost of living and well-established backpacker infrastructure makes it an ideal destination for solo travelers on a budget. Exploring New Zealand. With its awe-inspiring landscapes and adventure-filled activities, New Zealand is a top choice for solo travelers who love the outdoors. The country's North and South Islands offer an array of experiences, from hiking the Tongariro Alpine Crossing to exploring the vibrant city of Wellington. With a friendly and safe environment, New Zealand is an excellent destination for first-time solo travelers. Wandering the streets of Japan. Japan is a fascinating blend of ancient traditions and modern technology, making it a must-visit destination for solo travelers. Explore the bustling streets of Tokyo, discover the tranquil temples of Kyoto, or indulge in the culinary delights of Osaka. The country's efficient public transportation system and welcoming locals make navigating Japan a breeze even for solo travelers. Discovering the wonders of Iceland. Iceland's otherworldly landscapes and outdoor adventures make it a top destination for solo travelers. Drive the famous Ring Road to experience the country's diverse terrain, including glaciers, waterfalls, and geothermal hot springs. Solo travelers can also join guided tours to explore the more remote areas of the island, such as the West Fjords or the Highlands. Although Iceland can be more expensive than other destinations, the unique experiences it offers are well worth the investment. Embracing the culture of Spain. Spain offers a vibrant and diverse solo travel experience with a rich history, stunning architecture, and world-class cuisine. Wander the streets of Barcelona to admire Gaudi's architectural masterpieces, immerse yourself in the flamenco culture of Seville, or explore the ancient city of Granada. Spain's extensive train network and affordable accommodation options make it an ideal destination for solo travelers. Hiking the Camino de Santiago. The Camino de Santiago, a network of ancient pilgrimage routes across Europe, is a popular choice for solo travelers seeking a physical and spiritual journey. The most famous route, the Camino Frances, spans 500 miles from Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, France, to Santiago de Compostela, Spain. Along the way, travelers will find camaraderie with fellow pilgrims, affordable lodging in hostels and guest houses, and the opportunity for self-reflection and personal growth. Road tripping through the United States. The United States is a vast and diverse country offering solo travelers countless road trip possibilities. Embark on a classic journey along Route 66, explore the stunning national parks of the American West, or take the charm of the Deep South. With a reliable vehicle and offensive adventure, solo travelers can experience the best of America's landscapes and culture. Island hopping in Greece. The Greek islands offer a variety of experiences for solo travelers seeking sun, sand, and rich history. From the iconic blue domed churches of Santorini to the lively party scene of Mykonos, each island offers a unique atmosphere. The extensive ferry network makes island hopping easy, and affordable accommodation options cater to solo travelers. Don't forget to indulge in the delicious Greek cuisine and taking the stunning sunsets of the Aegean Sea. Unwinding in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a dream destination for solo travelers who crave a mix of adventure and relaxation. With its lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and abundant wildlife, this Central American gem offers a range of activities including ziplining, hiking, and surfing. The eco-friendly accommodations, warm hospitality, and commitment to sustainable tourism make Costa Rica an appealing choice for environmentally conscious solo travelers.
And that's a wrap on 10 epic solo travel destinations around the world. Ready to pack your bags? Let us know your favorite in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hidden gems from Tripinn, your travel guide to unforgettable places. Until next time, travel smart, stay curious.